Dear USA, all nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I just want to have this as a generic civil justice sign off. Whatever I want for the civil justice, for I am displaying the USA government errors, public sector errors, private sector errors, and how USA government operations got destroyed, and for displaying the absolute monarchs scandal. I, Vedapriya Prose, wanted these civil justice to be provided to me. Okay, so I'll just read this sign off so that it will be in all these other sessions. Okay, so for I, Vedapriya Prose, native Indian tribe, Christian Jew of Israel, Judah, Jerusalem, and true owner of USA, and proved USA is Tamil Nadu, and I, Vedapriya Prose, have highest impasse eligibility to lead USA. I must be the interim leader of USA now is civil justice served. And for I, Vedapriya Prose, displayed USA government errors and the scandal of absolute monarchs to USA government. I, Vedapriya Prose, for civil justice as in Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want United States of America nation to rename Lord Ripon Building in Tamil Nadu, India, after my name Vedapriya is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become the Vatican leader now is civil justice served. And Pope Francis resigns abruptly now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Civil Judge for all nations, now is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, become Supreme Chief Family Law and Supreme Chief Children Judge for all nations is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to become Global Poverty Relief Medical Director Chief for all nations, to lead and guide World Bank, United Nations organizations, World Health Organizations, Center for Disease Control, Department of Children Families, Department of Health Services, Department of Justice, Department of Revenue, Department of Agriculture, Department of Imports Export, Department of Military in all nations across the globe is civil justice served. And I, Vedapriya Prose, to be the ambassador for all nations, starting with India, and I, Vedapriya Prose, should get dual citizenship of USA and India now is civil justice served. And thank you all for your time. Take care, my dear fellow mankind. I sure will get civil justice for entire human kingdom in 1 minute. Thank you all for your time. Bye for now. All nations and 7.9 plus billions of humans, I hope we are all in the same page on this regard, on this very, very crucial, very, very important civil justice sign off I'm providing for myself. And that is, I will read through this civil justice sign off so that we all can be in the same page and I can get the civil justice right in front of all nations, right in front of entire human kingdom. So it is victims of abuse, patients, medical, finance, and compensations claim process. In the year summer 2019 to December 2019, I, Vedapriya Prose, filed lawsuit against at fault and found guilty DCF, that means Department of Children and Families in the state of Wisconsin, USA, for tax-free $500 billion. And that is why domestic violent prostitute Department of Children and Families of State of Wisconsin, USA created COVID-19 plague with fatal negligence to enforce pain infliction in my brain nerves as of February 22, 2021. Crime count 1. At fault DCF is prostitute, COVID-19 plague, failed in welfare services job, and with fatal negligence created COVID-19 plague worldwide and mandated mask worldwide and enforced I, Vedapriya Prose, to wear the mask, and it is deadliest crime of COVID-19 plague DCF, Department of Children and Families of State of Wisconsin, to enforce I, Vedapriya, to wear the mask as a mandate and creating emotional torture in my brain nerves. I, Vedapriya Prose, a true civil lawyer, true civil doctor, true civil supreme judge for civil justice according to the Holy Bible guidelines. I, Vedapriya Prose, want Republic of Prostitute, Department of Children and Families of State of Wisconsin to pay tax-free $500 billion direct deposit to my bank account in next 1 second. and wild endangered species, domestic violent, Republic of Prostitute, Absolute Monarchs, Queen Elizabeth II, Pope Francis, and Faces of Pope Francis failed in Absolute Monarch's job. And with deadliest crime of domestic violence, fatal negligence, classified as deadliest venom, poisonous wild endangered species, for created COVID-19 plague and mandated mask to enforce emotional torture, pain infliction on brain nerves of I. Vedapriya Prose. So, I. Vedapriya Prose want wild endangered species, domestic violent, leprosy patient, Republica prostitute, absolute monarchs to sign off tax-free $500,000 trillion per prostitute absolute monarchs times total absolute monarchs direct deposit or wire transfer to my bank account in next 1 second is civil justice served. Then damages to my brain nerves is done by prostitute absolute monarchs is classified as domestic violence with fatal negligence is proved. And that is why Roman Province Jesuits organizations of USA in 50 states of state of Wisconsin, state of Illinois, state of Michigan, state of New York, state of New England, state of Maryland, state of Louisiana, state of Missouri, state of California, state of Oregon must pay separate tax-free $500,000 trillion times 10 states of Jesuits is 500, followed by 4 zeros, direct trillion dollars, direct deposit to my bank account. So domestic violent types that was provided by state of Wisconsin is breach of duty, intentional infliction of emotional distress, causation and injury, battery and types, assault and types, false imprisonment and types, and trespass to chattels and types. I hope we are all on the same page, my dear fellow mankind. Yes, I should get the civil justice sign off, and you're all aware of it. Right? Just because I filed lawsuit against state of Wisconsin and all the public sectors because of the errors I displayed, and I also filed lawsuit against absolute monarchs. It is they who created the COVID-19. That means the COVID-19 plague worldwide is started and created where? Right here in state of Wisconsin. Okay, so don't you all think that civil justice must be served in front of all human population as in Holy Bible guidelines of civil law, right? So I stand in front of entire human kingdom who cannot talk, and I sure will get the civil justice the rightful way. Okay, and yes, state of Wisconsin is handcuffed mode, and all 50 states of United States of America is handcuffed mode, and it is the United States of America who created the COVID-19 plague worldwide, and USA must pay the price. Okay, thank you all for your time. Take care. Bye for now.